Welcome to our channel Spot Tech Offer. Today we are comes with new product. Hello friends, my name is Julie.
And my name is Krish. This product is very exciting and futuristic.
And help children's in education.
Presenting Miko, my companion robot.
Let's take a small review about Miko. Miko, my companion emotics Miko 2, for the children of age 5 to 10 years.
This play toy is available in Goblin Green, Martian Red and Pixie Blue.
The dimension of the toy are 18 centimeters by 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters, and it weighs 900 grams.
The Miko 2 is loaded with academic syllabus, news updates, fact about the world, educative and fun games, and also equipped with emotional intelligence machine.
It also features TeleConnect so that you can stay in touch with your child through video calling and remote navigation.
The play toy comes with data encryption and strict privacy norms. The child's data remains secure and also completely child safe.
This toy requires one lithium-ion battery which is included. 10 days replacement policy only for damage or defective product. For further information please click on link mentioned in description.
You know Julie, this Miko, my companion robot is available on Amazon.
Yes. And Amazon also give you 4% discount.
So go and purchase for your child to improve their knowledge and help in education. Link mentioned in description for more information.
And if you like this video please hit the like button. And subscribe our channel for more videos and offer like this.
Thank you for watching our video.
Bye bye, see you in next video.